at 8th standard. Okay, so I suggest you follow Vedic maths only. That's the best way. There are simple videos of mine. Check those. Okay, let's move on. So compounded half yearly. Now half yearly means what? The r becomes r by 2 and n becomes n into 2. See here, r equals to 15 by 2, n equals to 2 into 2. Earlier it was same because it was yearly. Now it is semi-annually. Now if it is quarterly somewhere, then r equals to 15 upon 4, n equals to whatever given 2 into 4, right? If it is quarterly. Now it is semi-annually, means half yearly. So 15 upon 2 and n is 2 into 2. Now use these two for your calculations. So a equals to p into 1 plus r upon 100, but r is what? 15 by 2. So 15 upon 200 it becomes, right? So 200 plus 15, 215 upon 200, the whole raised to 4. Now divide this, it becomes 1.075. Again Vedic maths, raised to 4. Again Vedic maths, 1.335 into 8000. So again Vedic maths, 10683.7. This here, beyond 8th standard, you'll have to do faster calculations. Either you need calculator or you need Vedic maths to do faster calculations. There is no other option. Okay. So 10683.7. This is the answer required for semi-annually. Next. Now this question has 3 parts, 3 to 4 sub questions. Find the compound interest. Annual compounding means everyone is annually compounded. Now A part. P equals to 1000, R equals to 5%, N equals to 3 years. Quite simple. So A equals to what? P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So 1 plus 5 upon 100 means 1.05 the whole cube. Now this cube of this by Vedic maths, 1.157625. See here. You'll To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.